How to find page new subscribers notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find page new subscribers notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click this three lines in the top corner and scroll down until you find pages, and then click on your page. And now just click these three lines in the top corner and then just click notifications and click on Facebook, and here you will find new subscribers, and you can turn it off or turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.